In this session, we're going to look into the capability of setting default values for parameter values in version 9.3 of Designer. So I can click in here on my card program, and actually I wanted to find the first 3 master cards as my pre-selected values for that page. In older versions of the product, it would have been quite complicated because you would have to enter them manually into the default value. With the current release, you just can click there, click on that little pen icon, and just select what you want from here. So you can select them from the list here, which is pre-populated. You see that info here. You could also select from data, you could enter them manually. So whatever you prefer, that's going to be the easiest way. So we can just put them onto the right-hand side, click OK. And those 3 are now pre-selected values for this specific parameter. Easy and straightforward way to do pre-selection of values here.